Our today's topic is charge transfer spectra. So charge transfer spectra, it is a redistribution of electron density within a molecule. It is also called redox spectra. Mostly occurs in UV region. They are Laporte and Spinel. It is observed in almost all complexes. There are four types of charge transfer: metal to ligand charge transfer, ligand to metal charge transfer, metal to metal charge transfer, and ligand to ligand charge transfer. So let us start with metal to ligand charge transfer. It occurs when electron of central atom present in antibonding orbital shift to antibonding orbital of ligand. Metal must have low oxidation state. That means it should not have high oxidation state. Ligand should have vacant pi star orbital so that the electron could shift to its antibonding orbital. It measures the tendency of metal to reduce the ligand. And the main thing is the electron rich metals show color due to metal to ligand charge transfer, because there is less energy gap and they show color. There are some examples of metal to ligand charge transfer: CO, CN, NO, pyridine, etc. Second is ligand to metal charge transfer. It occurs when an electron transition takes place from molecular orbital of ligand to non-bonding molecular orbital on metal atom. So ligand have pi donor orbital. Metal have high oxidation state. In metal to ligand charge transfer, metal should have low oxidation state, and in ligand to metal charge transfer, metal have high oxidation state. Metal may be main group transition or inner transition. Example of this ligand to metal charge transfer is shown in halides, oxides, sulfides, etc. Third one is ligand to ligand or inter-ligand charge transfer. It occurs when an electron from one ligand goes to ligand of another orbital. Complexes which have both oxidizing and reducing agents present shows ligand to ligand charge transfer. Most of the transitions of ligand to ligand charge transfer are not responsible for color. The fourth and the last one is metal to metal charge transfer, which occurs within an electron of one metal when an electron of one metal goes to metal of another complex. It is due to electronic transition. Due to this electronic transition, potassium permanganate is purple in color. It is not purple in color because of DD transition. It is purple in color because of metal to metal charge transfer, and it shows electron transfer to generate valence isomers. So there is one more transition, which is DD transition, which I'm not talking about here. So I hope you all like this video.